Well, it's really interesting. About an hour ago, we just had light snow flurries, and things have changed since then. Well, let's tell you where we are. We are at Baltimore National Pike and St. John's Lane. We've been checking in with Howard County officials throughout the day, and we want to show you some of the video as to when the snow started coming in. It was around 2 or 2:30 this afternoon. Howard County officials tell us that the roads, even back then, throughout the day, the roads have been in really good shape. They've had over 195 pieces of equipment out, snowplows, trucks, and contractors, and they say that they really feel that they've done a good job in keeping the roads clear and open. They've been trying to deal with this since Friday. They pre-treated the roads on Friday. They also salted all day Sunday. This morning, they did primary and secondary roads. They did that this morning, and then this afternoon they were getting into the neighborhoods. They tell us now that 80 to 90% of the neighborhoods have been plowed, and they do want people to understand that there are some minor slippery areas, and so they want to make sure that people are taking precautions if they are out. Of course, they're asking people to stay in, and what they're going to do is they're going to monitor the roads throughout the evening, and then tomorrow they're going to make an assessment on how good the roads are here. Reporting live from Ellicott City, Barry Sims, WBAL-TV 11 News.
All right, Barry, thank you. You're talking about that slick road, and ice sleet made it pretty slick out there for parts of Baltimore County in the commute this morning. 11 News reporter Amy Liu joins us live from Timonium now with a look at conditions there. Amy?
Yeah, hey there, Ashley. Well, earlier we were a little bit different from Barry. We had a lot of snow coming down, and now I would say it's lightened up a little bit. But let's take a look over right next to where we are. This is York Road, and for the most part, these major roads have been clear, but around some of those back and smaller roads, there's been some more slush and some patches of ice as well. And then I want to pull you guys back down here to where my feet are to give you an idea of the texture we're looking at. This is the hard, slushy, icy kind, not the fun type where you want to go in and build a snowman or anything. But we talked to some drivers today about how the commute was, and they all say it's been good for the most part, but they're still staying cautious.
Then we saw the blizzard coming down. Our cars were all full of snow. Yeah, it was, snowball fights were pretty fun too.
Beltway seemed to be okay. Side streets are iffy, but now I've been inside here for a while waiting to get my COVID shot, so things look like they're picking up.
And yesterday, Baltimore County Police said that they had responded to over 100 crashes, and some of those roads actually ended up closing, including Maryland 140, which is where we were earlier today because of some of those crashes. Some of those roads have now opened up. But that does it for us here in Timonium. Reporting live, Amy Liu, WBAL-TV 11 News.
All right, Amy, thank you so much. And in Anne Arundel County, the ice is more of a problem than the snow there. That's making shoveling sidewalks, clearing cars a lot more difficult for people. It's this ice that's also leading to dangerous driving conditions.